Here is the cups.
Yes, we have the samples.
And we store it in acetone.
You store them in acetone.
Yeah, after use.
Ah, excellent. So,
And you have to keep distance.
all right.
This one is to burn it up to remove the dust and every residues in the cup. Like this.
There's a dying mosquito there. They are not glowing completely. How much? But there's still some stuff in them. Now it's dead.
Deras cykel får temperaturändringen.
So, in your procedure is 700. It shouldn't be any influence after that.
Yeah, that's right. That's good. No influence since this one goes to 1000. So can I put that there? And then we have the cups. So, but we can't touch these ones now, right? With our hand.
It's so hot.
Yeah, but you have to use gloves later on, or just only pliers.
I mean, I need to use gloves because I don't want to touch the fibers with my fat fingers.
Yeah.
Okay, but how much is the maximum you can put in there in the balance? Is it 5 milligrams? Sometimes I've seen they put 10 milligram.
It depends. The rule is like it cannot higher than the half of the cup.
Ah, the rule is not higher than half of the cup. Okay, but that's good. Then we can put in so that we see that because the more material you get in there, the more relative loss you will have on the cup weight. So the more clear will be the measurement when you see a loss of weight increasing temperature. Alright, we wait until this one is heated and then we will do step 3. Or cool down and then we do step 3, filling with fibers.